Good afternoon, this is Teresa. Um, I'm just gonna get straight into this update. I've been putting it off, trying to figure out uh, a new route here or a slightly different route. But this last week I weighed in at 271, which was my lowest uh, weight of all time, or since I started. This week, my weight was 275, which was a 4 pound gain, which I'm still recovering from. Um, Something hit the window over there. Um, but still recovering from the birthday party. Um, and it's right after I shut the last video or closed it out. I remembered one little detail. I had about a half a glass of wine, which I remembered uh, is has an effect on weight gain. Not to mention the cake and ice cream, which I didn't really have a whole lot of. But we had pizza, so uh, I couldn't try to control myself on all that, like I said before. But with that, I think probably the alcohol was the biggest. Um, Wine was the biggest role in that. I'll remember the next time, I believe, um, when I'm around alcohol. But other things, I have been working on my steps. I had one day that I missed 10,000. I got to four, just above 4,000. We had a funeral, I believe it was, that we had to go to, and I wasn't that active because I was preparing for that. But other than that, that was good. My eating this week has been up and down. Uh, the sweets are still giving me problems. I'm okay with the grains, but the sweets are the big problem. And then yesterday my son had state testing for school, and we was out about half of the day for that. So that's always hard uh, when I'm out for that. Um, but going forward, um, I'm going to leave my measurements and pictures at the end of the video, like I did last time. But going forward, I am doing a weight loss, Biggest Loser style weight loss program that my husband's work has going on. They have it worth 350 Humana Go 365 points, which is one of the reasons why I'm doing that. I'm not quite sure how what everybody's doing there, other than weighing in. I think it's every Friday. I have to look at that again. we gotta send a picture of the weight on the scale tomorrow, and one at the end of the month, and every week in between, just excuse me, just record and send it to the person that's in charge of that. And then there is a couple doing a summer push for weight loss May challenge. Loving it on keto. They have a protocol that they are doing for May. You can use their protocol and use whatever diet program or eating program that you're on. And I am going to slightly modify my 17-day to go with this protocol, and hope that I can do a little bit more with that. See how that goes. And I'm still working on my 5,000 or 10,000 step. And I'm gonna try to refuse alcohol whenever there's any around. Like I said, the last time I had some, it caused some problems. So that's it for this video. Until next time, I will see you then. Bye.